Hey there, Mike here. Going to show you how to set up a screen capture in BrowseReporter. First, go to BrowseReporter, select Manage, select the fifth icon here that looks like a camera. On this main screen, it's going to show you any screenshots that you would have available from previously set up configurations. If you select the icon up in the top right here, it will also give you a glance view at any screenshots that you may have already taken. To set up a new one, go to Configurations, and then select New Capture. So there's two types of captures you can set up, websites and application. I'll show you both. Let's assume we're doing YouTube first. I'll set it up for YouTube, giving it a relevant name. I can select any PC groups or individual PCs. So I'll select my accounting group of PCs. It will show me all the users that have logged in on an accounting PC with a client on it. Select. And then the wait timer is essentially how long a user has to be on that page or running that application before it grabs the screenshot. So to do the same thing for applications, I would just select Application, give it a relevant name again, go to Add Applications, and then you'll need to enter the file name of the application. This can easily be found from the dashboard under the Application tab. Add it, press Apply, and then as soon as you're ready to add the capture, select Add Capture in the bottom right corner. And now your configuration is set up.